sit near your side.
Perfect. Maybe do something with your face more. Good. Like, I don't know, cry.
Cry? Do you want me to cry? Like them?
No, I don't think it's too manly, like for you, or...
I think it's okay, I don't mind.
It's okay?
Yeah, in Denmark, you can cry if you're a man. It doesn't matter.
In Lithuania, somehow, like, they think it's unmanly. And that's why this, like, whole series and the project was met with such a scandalous, I don't know...
In Denmark, it's totally okay to cry, also if you're a man. Yeah, I
Good.
can cry, yeah.
Good.
I don't feel like crying.
Do you apply makeup on every day?
Yes, almost. I do.
don't even apply makeup every day.
I can tell.
How?
What do you think men will feel about you being in the army?
Aš kai praeidinėjau medicininę, tai į mane stebėjo 29 vaikinai ir aš buvau viena 30 ir jie taip už nugaros sakydavo, čia tikrai ne savanorių, pasižiūrėkit į merginą, ji nesugebės. Aš norėjau taip ir atsakyti, tu tik tai šauktinis, o aš savanorių, aš esu moteris, tu esi vyras.
Well, maybe they think that they shouldn't be there because they're weak and because maybe they're distraction. I don't know. Well, they should get used to it because I believe that as time will go on, more women will join.
Moteris baigusi kariuomenę, tai nepasakytų ten vyras, o aš ten baigęs, iš tikrųjų aš net ir vyrą rinkčiausi tas, kuris buvo kariškis, kad mane galėtų apginti.
But how do you feel about these crying men? So actually, you think that men are weaker than women because you have to force them into the army?
Ne, jie tikrai nesilpnesni, bet jiems nesinori, jie nori būti lepinami ir nenori nieko daryti.
I just have a hard time understanding your motivation. I mean, why would you do something that is dangerous and why you need to go into the army?
Aš jau nuo pat mažų dienų svajojau kažkom padėti žmonėms, bet ne tiek, kad būti gydytoja, o kažko ekstremalesnio tokio. Nes, kaip ir sakiau, noriu išbandyti savo jėgas ir visi mes žinome, kas šiuo metu dedasi pasaulyje, ypač Ukrainoje, ir nežinia, kada Lietuvai prireiks tokios pagalbos ir aš tikrai ketinu šitą suteikti Lietuvai.
So you're not worried about actually going to war?
No, I'm not.
What I'm really afraid of, that they will think that I'm a girl and I'm not able to do something that men are able to do, which is kind of true, but I'm a strong girl and there's a lot of things girls can do, actually.
The reason why I'm in Lithuania is that we realized through statistics that Lithuania has the highest rate, a percentage of women in top positions, whereas Denmark, where I'm from, has the lowest percent of women in top positions. How does that make you feel about your country?
Ten leido buvo lygiavertis lygybė, bet Lietuvoje ne. Todėl moterys nori įrodyti, kad yra stipresni už vyrus. Todėl jie siekia aukštumų daugiau negu vyrai. Nes nėra lygybė.
Dėmesio būry. Ramiai. Ginklą žemi. Ginklą ant kairę peties. Dė. Pagirta. Būry lygiuok. Ramiai.